this video, we will provide you with an overview of the new Enlighten mobile app. With our latest app, you'll find more information available at a glance on the newly designed status screen. The screenshots in this video might vary from what you see in your app based on what options you have installed on your Enphase system. For example, you may have a system without consumption monitoring or batteries installed. Or you may have a system with consumption monitoring but without batteries. Finally, you may have a system with both consumption monitoring and batteries installed. For the remainder of this video, we are showing a system with both consumption monitoring and batteries installed to cover all possible options. To navigate around the app, use the 4 tabs at the bottom of the screen. The first tab on the left takes you to the status screen, which gives you the latest energy updates for your system. The infographics at the center tell you how much energy your home is consuming. You can also see where the energy is coming from: the grid, your solar panels, or your batteries. You'll also see what happened to the excess energy that was not used in your home, whether it was exported to the grid or saved in your batteries for later use. The net energy information gives you at-a-glance detail on whether you are a net energy importer or a net energy exporter. The top section of the screen gives you the overall health of your system, latest weather data, the latest power output of your solar panels, and the available energy in your batteries. Now let's take a look at the next tab on the bottom of the screen, the Energy tab. This screen shows the various energy components for your system for the period you select and overlays those values in a graph. You can toggle between recent days by using the left and right arrows or navigate to a specific date by using the calendar icon. You can also view your system's energy data for a specific week, month, year, or its lifetime. Use the Custom Period tab to align your system's energy data with your billing cycle or any other custom period of your choice. The top section uses similar infographics to those found on the status screen for each of the different energy components. By placing your finger on the specific point on the graph, you can view energy and power details for the period you have selected. Power information is displayed in a pop-up message for the period highlighted, and the energy values are displayed in the changing infographics above the graph. The graph displays energy in kilowatt hours. Power is reported in kilowatts in the pop-up message. Drag your finger across the graph to see how the power and energy changes with time of day. You can also customize your energy view. Use the toggle button below the graph to turn on or off specific energy components on the graph. Further down the screen is the currency equivalent widget that converts your system's energy components into their equivalent monetary value. To use this widget, simply set a one-time conversion factor. A tap on the Set Currency Conversion Factor will take you to the settings page where you can turn on the widget view using the toggle button and then set the conversion factor. The conversion factor is usually set as the average per kilowatt hour that your utility charges you for energy imported from the grid. Once you have set the currency conversion factor, the widget will start displaying the equivalent monetary values of the different energy components reported by your system. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Environment Equivalence widget that quantifies the positive impact on the environment of your decision to go green. The Array tab shows the representation of your virtual array to match the solar panels and microinverters installed on your roof. You can also see the output of each individual microinverter panel pair on your array view. The menu screen contains the options to view system reports, view system details, access device details, contact your installer or the Enphase support team, and configure your system settings. The menu screen will also include a Notices section if there are any alerts about your system that may need your attention. We hope you enjoy your new Enlighten mobile app. To learn more about your system, visit enphase.com/homeownervideos.